In this video, we're going to see how close we can get to Death Grip sounds using 3 tools. For this sound, we're using a free synth called Vital. So I have a square wave, select sync and turn it up to about 60%. Then we're going to remove some high frequencies using a filter. But a key for Death Grip type sounds is adding some distortion. So we're going to use soft clip mode and we're going to turn it right up. Remove some highs again. And the optional step is adding a reverb, but if you do add this, you want it to be really subtle, so I'll set the mix to 12%. Our next sound is from Hacker. For this sound, we're using a different synthesizer called Surge. This is free as well, and it allows us to have a bit more distortion types to shape our sound. So for this, we're going to be starting with a saw wave. Remove some highs with a filter. Then we're going to add some distortion. So go to this wave shaping option and select fuzz. This sounded pretty good, but I want to add a bit more distortion. So I used pedal in Ableton, followed by a chorus for some width and a reverb again, very subtly. Now let's do a quick Death Grips remix. I'm going to do it inspired by Dr. Dre. First we need a piano. To complement this, we're going to add some strings. So for these strings, we're playing the same notes but in octaves to create a more epic sound. Next, we're going to add some drums. For this, I'm using my sound pack called Alpine Drums. Some drums are designed from scratch, good for R&B and hip hop beats. And we're going to finish it off by using a sound we made from Hacker. And this is playing some bass notes for the verses and it's playing a lead melody in the chorus. Let's see what this beat sounds like with the acapella from I've Seen Footage. If you found this video useful, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check out the drum kit, and the presets are available in my Patreon. If you don't want to remake it, download them in my Patreon.